Welcome viewers on my YouTube channel Jyoti Ratno Learning. I have divided lesson 10 in two parts, part 1 and part 2. Today I will tell you part 1. Enable invoicing in Tally, record purchases in invoice mode, use debit notes and record debit notes in invoice mode. Depending on the nature of business, you can create invoice mode or voucher mode. In the invoice mode, you can print and provide a copy of the invoice to party. Invoice means bill. Distinction between voucher and invoice in Tally. An invoice is a detailed bill from supplier. A voucher is an internal paper used by company's accounts department for approving bill before paying a merchant invoice. Step 1. From Gateway of Tally, click Alt F3 for creating new company. Step 2. Fill up company name and other particulars regarding company and accept to yes. Step 3. From Gateway of Tally, click F11 Company Features. Step 4. Select and click Accounting Features. Step 5. Invoicing. Yes to all. Debit note is used while the return of goods is made between two businesses. Debit note is issued by the purchaser at the time of returning the goods to the supplier. Step 6. From Gateway of Tally, click F12 Company Configure. Step 7. Select and enter invoice and orders. Step 8. The invoice configuration screen appears as shown above. Enable the required options to yes and accept or press Ctrl A. Step 9. From Gateway of Tally, select and click Accounts Info. Step 10. From Accounts Info, select and click Ledger. Step 11. Make purchase ledger under purchase account. Step 12. Make purchase return ledger under purchase account. Step 13. Make supplier ledger under sundry creditor. Step 14. From Gateway of Tally, select and enter accounts voucher from transactions. Step 15. Here you click F9 Credit Purchase. Enter the invoice number and the date on which the invoice was passed by the supplier. In party account name, select the supplier's name. Select the required items and specify the quantities and rates. Step 16. A debit note is issued when there is a return outward, purchase return, in a transaction. When the buyer returns the goods to the seller, the buyer will issue a debit note. Step 17. Now you can pass voucher for payment to the supplier.